In this video, you'll learn how to whip egg whites with sugar to firm or stiff peaks with a stand mixer. All the secrets revealed in just 3 minutes. Let's get started. So what are the secrets to whipping egg whites?
Egg whites won't whip properly if there's any grease or fat in the whites. And so it's important to separate eggs while they're cold.
And to whip them in a clean bowl. To play it safe, separate each egg over a small bowl and transfer the white when you are sure that there are no yolks in it.
To the contrary, egg whites whip better when they're a little bit warm. And so some recipes will tell you to leave the eggs out at room temperature, but this advice leaves too much room for error. And so today I'm going to show you a nifty trick to make sure that your egg whites whip perfectly every time. We're going to be using normal, lukewarm temperature, even a little bit cold egg whites. And to that we're going to be adding hot water. We're going to add just 1/3 cup of hot water to our whipping eggs.
I typically just pop my water into the microwave for 10 to 15 seconds. As soon as I start whipping the eggs, I add the hot water right away, slowly. And then I whip the eggs at medium speed for about 2 minutes. I add the lemon juice, a pinch of salt, cream of tartar, and then I whip from 6 to 8 minutes at medium speed, and begin adding the sugar 1 spoon at a time. Always use granulated sugar and not powder. Granulated sugar is critical to helping the whipped egg whites hold its structure. When testing your egg whites for stiffness, dip the whisk in just a little and pull up gently. Firm peaks stand up straight, but with a slight curve at the tip. Whip a little bit longer to achieve fully stiff peaks. If you learned something new, click the thumbs up and subscribe for free to our channel for more recipes like this from Italy and beyond. And don't forget to check out our other recipes perfect for stand mixers.